Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard Zadie in Fortnite. First, understand that character skins like Zadie often appear in the item shop for a limited time. To acquire her quickly, you'll typically need to purchase her directly when she becomes available. This usually involves using V-Bucks, Fortnite's in-game currency. Keep an eye on the daily shop updates to ensure you don't miss her next appearance. The most straightforward way to get Vanguard Zadie is through the Fortnite item shop. The shop refreshes daily, so make it a habit to check it regularly. When she appears, you'll need to have enough V-Bucks to complete the purchase. Typically, rare skins like Zadie cost around 1,200 V-Bucks. You can buy V-Bucks directly from the in-game store or through your platform's digital storefront. To ensure you have enough V-Bucks, consider purchasing them in larger packs, which often offer a better value. For example, a 5,000 V-Bucks pack might be more cost-effective than smaller ones. Occasionally, Vanguard Zadie might be part of a larger bundle with other cosmetic items, potentially saving you V-Bucks compared to buying everything separately. Always compare prices and bundle contents before making a decision. To stay ahead, follow official Fortnite social media channels and reliable news sites for announcements about upcoming shop rotations or special events. Many content creators also provide daily shop updates, which can be very helpful. Setting up notifications can ensure you're alerted the moment Zadie becomes available. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space spotless while you game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.